In this session, we are going to discuss significant figures and rounding off. Discussion about this, and further basics to be cleared through illustrations. Now, let's start the questions and concepts. Question is, discuss regarding significant figures. Let's start the discussion. Significant figures in the measured value of physical quantity tell the number of digits in which we have confidence. Larger the number of significant figures obtained in a measurement, greater is the accuracy. Means accuracy is proportional to significant figures. Higher the number of significant figures, higher is the accuracy. Reverse is also true. The following rules are observed in counting the number of significant in a given measured quantity. All non-zero digits are significant. It has 5 significant figures. A zero becomes a significant figure if it happens between two non-zero digits. एक 4 इधर है, एक 4 इधर है, बीच में 2 जीरो, तो it has 4 significant figures. Leading zeros or the zeros placed to the left are never significant. So it has 1 significant figure. ये count नहीं होंगे. Next, trailing zeros placed to the right of the number are significant figures. Means 343.000 यानी 3A और 3A. So total number of significants is 6. In exponential notation, the numerical portion gives the number of significant figures. In this case, power minus 3O, minus 4O, 5O, 1.32 means this has 3 significant figures. Right? Next question. Question is, discuss regarding rounding off. राउंडिंग ऑफ में 3 केसेस होते हैं. एक तो एग्जैक्टली 5 होता है, ग्रेटर देन 5 होता है, लेस देन 5 होता है. इसमें कोई इश्यू नहीं है. इसमें डिफरेंट केसेस टू बी कंसीडर्ड. नॉट लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. इफ द डिजिट इज टू बी ड्रॉप्ड इज लेस देन 5, देन द प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट लेफ्ट अनचेंज्ड. जैसे एग्जांपल है x इक्वल टू 7.8, टू इज राउंडेड ऑफ. 2 को राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो इट इज लेस देन 5, द आंसर विल बी 7.8. राइट? इफ द डिजिट ड्रॉप इज मोर देन 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. 6.87 है, is to be rounded off. 7 को ड्रॉप करना है. 7 is greater than 5, तो 6.9 आंसर हो जाएगा इसका. If the digit is to drop is 5, followed by digits other than 0, यानी कि 5 को ड्रॉप करना है और 0 नहीं है, then 16.351, इसको फॉलो 0 नहीं, rounded off to 6.4, raised by 1. If the digit is to drop 5, followed by zeros, the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. 3.250, इसको फॉलोड बाई 0 है, ये इवन और इसको इवन रहने दिया जाएगा. राइट? एंड सिमिलरली 12.650 becomes 12.6 on next. If the digit is dropped by 5 followed by 0, then the percentage digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. 3.750, 3.7, it is different, तो इसको हमने इवन नंबर कर दिया 3.8. and 16.150 is to be raised to 16.2. This is all regarding the discussion of rounding off. Next question. Question is, we have to sum 3 numbers. We have to give the answer according to the significant figure, considering the significant figure. If we add this, we get the answer 11.439. 11.439. Then, what will be the correct answer? In addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction. After decimal, see the significant figures. In this case, it is 1. After decimal, in this case 2, in this case 3. So answer is to be concluded after decimal, which have the least significant figures, yani least places. So 11.439 means this is to be rounded off. This is to be rounded off. So this is less than 5, so 11.4. 11.4 is the right answer. 11.439 11.4 आंसर रहेगा. जैसे एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में, सपोज इन द मेजर वैल्यू टू बी एडेड और सब्ट्रैक्टेड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल इज n, then in sum or difference also the number of digits after the decimal should be n. This concept we apply in this question. Right now, this question. Now in this question, 12.63 minus 10.2. It is a case of subtraction. Subtraction. On subtraction, we get its answer 2.43. This is not correct. We have to give the answer considering the significant figures. To consider the significant figures in addition or subtraction case, according to this, after decimal point, see how many digits are there. 2, 1. So it is to rounded off to the 1 digit. So 2.4 is the correct answer considering the significant figures. Right? Next question. Question is, answer according to the significant figures. 1.2 multiplied by 36.72. 1.2 multiplied by 36.72. Its answer comes out to be 44.064. Now, this has two significant figures. This has three significant figures. Answer in multiplication and division. Answer will have least number of significant figures according to the given parameters. इनमें लीस्ट कौन सा 2 है, तो इसमें 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स आएंगे. तो 2 में क्या आएगा 44. 44 इज द आंसर. तो इसमें देखिएगा इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन व्हाट हैपन, सपोज इन द मेजर वैल्यू टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड डिवाइडेड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट इज द n, then the product of question the number of significant figures should also be n. इन एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्या होता है, डेसिमल के बाद कितने पॉइंट में, इसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स क्या है, लीस्ट आंसर विल बी सिलेक्टेड. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, find the volume of Q of the sides considering significant figures. Volume of Q क्या होता है, AQ, that is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 6, 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6, 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6. ये कितना आ जाएगा 10 to the power minus 18 मीटर क्यूब, और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके आ जाएगा 2.744 into this. Now, in the given question, it is a case of multiplication. So answer will have least number of significant figures according to the given parameter. In this case, significant figure is 1. तो आंसर में सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कितनी होगी 1, इसमें सिग्निफिकेंट 2 सॉरी 2 है, तो आंसर में कितनी होगी 2. राउंडेड ऑफ में लेस देन 5 है, So it will remain 2.7 10 to the minus 18 meter cube. That is the answer, right? Next question. Before start of the next questions, hello students, welcome to YouTube channel SethiSwiftLearn. In earlier session, we have gone through these topics, and these are the playlists concerned में go there and have the visit. These are the detailed sample paper solutions on website SethiSwiftLearn.com. These are the solutions on YouTube channel SethiSwiftLearn. इसके साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर कलीग्स एंड फ्रेंड्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. Question is, radius of wire is 2.50 mm. Length of the wire is 50 centimeter. If the mass of the wire measured to be 25 gram, then find the density of the wire in correct significant figures. Given pi equal to 3.14, we have to find the density. Density means mass upon volume. Mass m pi r square l. It is case of multiplication and division. Answer में क्या होगा? Least significant figures we have to pick up out of the given. तो given हमें r equal to 2.50 mm. Significant figures 3. Change the unit. Number of significant figures will not change. If it will not change, then that is equal to 0.250 centimeter. Mass 225 gram. That is significant figures 2. Significant figures is 2. Radius, mass, length. Length is given to you 50.0 centimeters. Significant figures 3. Significant figures 3. Then pi की वैल्यू दे रखी है 3.4. Significant figures 3. तो इसमें लीस्ट क्या है? तो आंसर will have significant figures 2. We have to consider least one. On substituting values, density equal to mass upon pi r square l. कैलकुलेशन आप कर लीजिएगा, मैं एग्जैक्ट आंसर लिख रहा हूं 2.5477 gram per centimeter cube. So on simplification, this is, so we have to pick up the answer up to 2 significant figures. This is to be rounded off. So answer will be 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Now in this session I have discussed the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and also the how to round off, what are the significant number, how to calculate the number of significant figures. All comes as that. Clear, right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel SethiSwiftLearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you.